Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change your location on Nextdoor mobile app using a phone. Let's get started. First, open the Nextdoor app on your phone and make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you're on your home page, tap on your profile at the top right of your screen. Then tap on My Profile, then select Settings. In the Settings section, look for Account Settings. Tap on it. Here you will see your name, email address, and your current neighborhood listed. Tap Change or Edit next to your address or tap the pencil icon. Enter your new address or zip code. Make sure it's accurate because Nextdoor uses this to show posts and neighbors in your area. After entering the new address, tap Save or Update. Nextdoor may ask you to verify your new location using a verification code sent by mail or phone. Follow the instruction to complete the verification. Once updated, your Nextdoor feed will now show posts and updates from your new neighborhood. And that's it. You have successfully changed your location on Nextdoor using your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.